I think the Olympics this year here in Beijing, I think is going to be extraordinary, especially with it happening during these times in our lives as we live. I think the way how the country is handling the pandemic during sports times is the correct way, it's the proper way in how to do it. Still giving people the opportunity to experience what we're used to experiencing, but in a different way. I think, whenever you get the opportunity to play on the global stage, it's always a treat because you get the opportunity to face different challenges from people who play the game differently, but it's the same game. I think this is an opportune time for all of the athletes to be able to compete, to test themselves and to measure how far they can go based upon all of the training that they've done over time.